Hi everyone, welcome back to Maddie's channel. Today we're going to be doing some indoor fun because the weather is not giving. So what are we going to be doing today? Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
You have to look in the camera.
Hi guys.
So what are we going to be doing today, Amari? We're going to be painting. I bought Amari this new painting set. It looks very cool. As you can see, we need to set it up first. We're gonna set this up and then we will be right back. All right, so we opened the acrylic paint set, and this is everything that you get in it. You get like 6 drawing like boards. Yeah, painting boards. You get the colors, and you get like this apron where you can put on to protect your clothing. So okay, this is what's in. And shall we start, Amari? Yes. What are we gonna be painting? Do you want to paint a flower, a heart, a butterfly? What would you like to do? Shall we try flowers, hearts, and butterflies?
Yes.
Is that going to be the team?
Flowers.
And flowers also. All right. We're going to start. Mommy's going to help you set it up and then we'll start. All right. We have the apron on. So let's start with the painting. Let's start making a mess.
And making
Trying to get the painting set open. Oh, look at all the colors. All right, so what's really cool about this painting set is that it comes with a variety of colors, but it also has like this color mixing chart where you can kind of see which colors you have to mix together to get like what color results. So I find this very cool. So we added some paint. Not too much because we don't want to really make too much of a mess. But Amadi, so those are the colors that we're going to be using. Yeah, let's have some fun. Shall we start?
Yes.
All right, go for it. Yeah. You can paint whatever you want.
Okay.
Go ahead. Oh, guys, we forgot to add some water. You're going to need some water. I'm going to get some water and we'll be right back. You can go ahead and start painting, baby.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too.
So, honey, making heart.
All right, here's some water. If you need to clean the brushes, you can clean it in the water. Okay?
Okay.
Wow, that's a beautiful heart. Are you gonna color it in? Wow.
Whoa!
Look, guys, she made a heart. That's so cute.
Wow!
Good job, girl. Bro. Yes, you can use one or multiple colors. Guys, we live in the Netherlands, so we speak Dutch, but we also speak English. We speak Spanish also, and Papiamento, which is a language from Aruba, Curacao, and Bonaire. But Amari speaks mostly Dutch and a little bit of English. So I'm going to help her to translate for you guys. Oh, wow. She's adding blue to the heart. That's beautiful. So artsy.
I make the chorus.
Yeah. So everyone, we're finished. This is the final result of Amary's painting session. Amary, do you want them to see? Wow, that looks so cool. So we have some flowers. We have 2 butterflies. We have a heart, right?
Yeah, I make the heart.
Yeah.
Okay!
Trees. And it's looking very good, Amary.
And this
It's
one?
beautiful. Yeah, that's some decorations. So, do you say thank you for watching, everyone?
Thank you for watching. And
Until next time.
till next
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.